Thanks for hitting play on Average Dave's Cards. This video, we're just going to do some random baseball stuff I've collected to finish up the week of baseball videos I've been doing. We are going to open up some, for sure, we're going to open up some Topps 2018 Series 1, try and find some Rafael Devers, some Jack Flaherty or Walker Buehler. We got a few packs here of opening day, or try to find the Luis Robert short print. We have some Topps 2020 Series 1 hanger box. And we have quite a bit of Gypsy Queen here. We will let my wife open up the Gypsy Queen since she likes to pull autographs and green parallels of Luis Robert. So we'll let her open that. And we might do more depending on how long the video goes. Go try to keep this one short. But I do want to open up some stuff. And also, I got this package from Topps. And I believe this is the Project 2020 card that I ordered. If you don't know what Project 2020 is, Topps had 20 artists do renderings of classic rookie cards of players. And I decided to order one. He's not exactly my favorite player, but I definitely think he's one of the greatest players ever. And definitely respect his game. Yep, it's the 2020 card. So that's pretty cool. Comes in this kind of packaging, some bubble wrap. So these cards are made to order. You order them on their website. This was at the time the largest print run. It was like 9,800, something like that. It's been passed by Trout's. But yeah, this is an artist rendering of the Derek Jeter rookie card for Topps. They call him Mr. November on there. Kind of cool. I believe this it's normally $20. I got like a discount for my first order on Topps. But they've already gone up in price. These are already, I think they're selling for $30 on eBay. The Trout one's way up there now. But yeah, pretty cool. See if it tells. Designed by King Saladin. So yeah. Comes in a nice case. Pretty cool. I like the look of it. So yeah, they've done, I mentioned Trout, they've done McGuire, Ricky Henderson. They've done some Ted Williams, which the Ted Williams stuff is kind of weird because one of the artists made the Ted Williams card without a face. I don't know if you know the Ted Williams story, but his kids have cryogenically frozen Ted Williams' body and has had the head separated from the body, and they cannot find the head. Somebody's lost the head. They know where the body is, they don't know where the head is. So
like Futurama somewhere.
Yeah, it's like a Futurama thing or something. So it's a little weird story. And then one of the artists, I don't know if he's making a statement by the no face thing, but it is what it is. But kind of quirky, odd story there about Ted Williams. Oh, speaking of Trout, there's his base card. Santos rookie. Dominic Smith rookie. Eric Fedde sale. Louis Brunson future stars. Is this yeah, this is numbered, so that's a gold. 708 of 2018.
That's cool looking.
Looks like we got a rainbow here of Salvador Perez. Speaking of Jeter, the captain right there, the 35-year anniversary of Topps. Carlos Correa, Chris Bryant highlights, Mark Reynolds. So now we get into the sideways cards, and that's how Walker Buehler comes. So, but no such luck on the Buehler, it looks like. Stanton back when he's a Marlin. Porcello, Mana, Feldman, Myers. All right, so no such luck there, but we got one more fat pack here in a hanger. All right, Davis, Fulowitz, Ramos, Drury. There's Braun. Garrett Richards, Prado, Adams, Santana. Gotta love tops and all the upside down cards. Rookie of Bader, Ariando, Trey Turner, former Eugene M, Trey Turner.
Yay.
Aaron Judge, league leaders. Let's see what this insert's about here. Francisco Lindor, Andrew. Oh, well, I don't know much about Andrew Stevenson, but once again, it's a rainbow and it's a rookie. So not too shabby there. Will Myers, Bryant highlights, 2 Bryant highlights. Dansby Swanson, Garrett Cooper rookie card. Cubs, the Springer World Series, Odor, Kluber, Nationals, Logan Forsythe. Let's get this right side up. Johnny Cueto, Juan Arredondo, Fowler, Dahl, Tulowitzki. So our fat packs didn't have much. Let's see what's in this hanger here. Same stuff, 2018 Series 1. This stuff's starting to go up on the secondary market a little bit. But, I mean, on the other hand, everything's going up in the secondary market. Sports cards are insanely popular right now. Let's see here. Boatload of cards here. Moustakis, Sanchez, Garcia, Nova, Baez, Jaso, Rodriguez, Frazier, Flowers, Sanyo. Oh, there's that Trout again.
Couple Trouts.
Aaron Judge, 2 Aaron Judges, league leaders, future stars. I've pulled this guy before, Rhys Hoskins rookie card. Not too bad. It's not one of the big 3, but it's in that next tier. A lot of talent, just hasn't put it together yet. Craig Allen rookie, Rosario. Got us a Dexter Fowler.
Cool card.
Arcia. Daniel Murphy. Our league leaders, Daniel Murphy. It's that rainbow foil. Rizzo. Freeman. Donaldson. Advertisement. Denard. Cargo. Broxton. Conforto. Like I said earlier, these sideways ones, that's where if we were to hit a Walker Buehler, it'd be in there. Oh, Robles. I actually buy Robles on eBay. I think he's undervalued. So here. Oh, and we're hitting quite a few of the second tier rookies here. This is Verdugo, part of the Mookie Betts trade. So he's now a Red Sox.
Sure.
So at least we hit some of the second tier guys. Definitely a lot of potential. So let's see here. Next, let's rip into this opening day. Opening day is very introductory product. It's more geared towards kids, and it's very, very on the affordable side. A lot of similar stuff to Series 1 2020. Jesus Luzardo rookie card. That's cool. Oh, wow. So we got a Javier Baez opening day parallel. You can see it has the supposed opening day there for him, March 26th. That didn't quite happen. But yeah, these are kind of hard to hit, so that's kind of cool. I have a decent player too in Baez. So nice little hit there. And one of the inserts, the Blue Jays Stadium. The big deal of the opening day is the super short print of Luis Robert. I think last I saw that was like $110 card. I haven't looked at it lately though, but really hard to hit. So, and a Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt Spring is Sprung insert. Another fun thing about opening day, a lot of people dig mascot cards, and there's a mascot insert series in here. So those are fun to get for people. Keston Hira, Medea, Lynn, Austin Riley, Brandon Lowe, and Trout Spring is Sprung. All right, so second to last pack of this.
So many cards.
Garcia, Max Fried, Rosario, Posey, Andrews, and George Brett. The only guy to win a batting title in 3 different decades. I think that's right. It might have changed since that happened, but I'm on to see. Oh, Aquino. That's his rookie card there. Not too bad with that one. Another rookie there, Cubs pitcher, Tommy Pham. Rookie is Zach Gallen. And another Frank Thomas. So your Frank Thomas fix tonight here. All right, so I'm going to rip open this hanger here of 2020 Topps. And then Not So Average Kim will open up some Gypsy Queen and hopefully pull some really good stuff. I did this wrong. You want to open these from the bottom, not from the top. Let's see here. Nope, doesn't look like there's any sort of relic or anything in there. All right, 2020 Topps. So we want Bo Bichette. We want Gavin Lux. We want Aquino. Jesus Luzardo's okay. So, oh, Cunha. This guy's so stinking good. It's pretty insane. All right. Garver. Chris Davis. Keshner, DeGrom, Castro, Yamamoto, rookie card for the Marlins. Former Eugene M. Oh man, look at that stash. All right. Vlad Jr., Marte, Paddock. Here, Manny being Manny for the Padres. Wheeler, Marquez, Lamb, Ben Gamel, Marte, Crawford, Austin Meadows, big Austin Meadows fan. He's pretty good. We got a rainbow of Mercado, Future Stars. Johnny Bench, the blue border. So that's not too bad. I don't think these are numbered, but they are kind of rare. Yeah, they're not numbered. But they are somewhat rare to hit. There's our Devers that we tried to get in the 2018 Series 1, but Decade's Best 2020. Bryce Harper. We got Aquino Turkey Red, so that's pretty cool. Anderson for the Marlins. Tanaka. Tatis Jr. Turkey Red. Jeffries. Santana. Oh, I forgot to mention him. We hit him. Yordan Alvarez. This one's, I don't know which one's better, him or Lux to get. But this, I mean, probably him, this guy, because he's actually proven himself. He's the AL Rookie of the Year. So super talented. Kershaw. One of the great photos in this set. Calhoun. Oh, there's Luzardo, so another good rookie. I want to say he's like 6th or 7th, maybe 8th on the Fangraphs top prospects. I think he's the top pitcher this year, so for prospects. Let's see. Can we finish off with anything? Strasburg, Vato, Pineda, Baez, rookie card of Urquidy, Springer, and Rogers. So, all right. Now, my favorite product. We got some value packs and hanger boxes of Gypsy Queen here.
Okay. And as always, I'm not the greatest at noticing if it's a big name or not, so Dave will be right here telling me what I've missed. Or if I miss anything. Yeah, I did pull a auto out of one of these, right?
Yep.
Alright. Let's start with Morjon.
Yep, rookie there.
Thames. Or Thames, I don't know which. The Mayhew. I've seen people pull a lot of him. And there's one of those little fortune teller mini type cards of Astudillo, Bieber, and Stanton. It's kind of fun.
I really like 2020 Gypsy Queen. There's a lot to keep an eye for, like logo swaps, no nameplates. There's the no nameplate right there. So
who that is?
That's a short print of something for
Luis Arias.
So that's pretty cool.
Contreras and Starling. And
Bubba.
I forgot to check for my bubblegum backs.
There's also Bazooka Joe bubblegum backs, which are hard to get.
Dave's eyeing the stuff behind me. All right. Next pack here. Davis Jr., Villoria, Harper, King of Swords. That's one of those tarot cards.
Yep, with the rounded corners.
Minter and Bader. All right, and my greens here. Looks like the first one, I don't know the name, but we'll figure that out. Giolito. Oh, here's a Trout.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Green Trout's kind of cool. Lorenzen and Pham. Then Walker. So not too bad.
Yep.
Top or bottom on?
I would go bottom.
Okay. So how much trouble you had with the tops. So I better make sure I get the right thing here.
So we got 2 more hangers to go. This video is on the long side, so thanks for hanging out with us. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Especially like for my bubblegum cards. All right, we got a Murphy, Strasburg, Springer, Arias, Cruz, Arrieta, Ripken Jr.
So that's a short print. The legends are cards 301 to 325. That one's 317. So they're kind of hard to hit, so that's pretty cool.
There's a Nola, Simmons, Chapman, oops, and a Scherzer. As I lose the cards. And quick check for no bubblegums. Dave's hit 1 bubblegum, and they're 1 out of how many packs?
It's something like 1 out of 81 packs.
So my odds are not that great of getting another one, but I can still hold out hope because I think they're really cool. The nostalgia. Looks like we got a Davis in the front here. Posey, Freed, Chapman, Severino, Aquino.
Oh, Aquino rookie. Cool. No
Another
name
no
of David
name.
Price.
Thank you. Stalmont, Newman, Kiermaier, and Hosmer. And no bubblegum.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching us rip some baseball this week. I think we're going to have either some football, which would be Optic and Prism, or some basketball, where we have some old packs where we'll be looking for Luka Doncic or Trae Young. And I also have some older Optic coming in, which we'll be looking for Donovan Mitchell or Jason Tatum cards for basketball. But yeah, if you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.